Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode showcasing true human endurance and ingenuity. Today, we follow the journey of a resilient single mother who builds a wooden and bamboo stilt house all by herself, deep in the remote mountains. There is no construction team, no machinery, just her hands, simple tools, and a strong will into a base frame. Each log is placed in the right position, reinforced with stones and nailed firmly for durability. Her movements are precise, steady, and filled with quiet determination. Then she lays the floor with thick wooden planks. One by one, the panels are laid down and secured, transforming the bare frame into a solid foundation. On to building an outdoor kitchen right next to the house, built from bricks and cement. With a clear plan in mind, she started by laying bricks to form the foundation and walls of the structure. She left precise spaces for functions such as shelves and cooking space. Steel bars and grills were added to reinforce the inside, making it strong enough to withstand the fire and weight. She then mixed cement by hand and poured it over the top to create a smooth countertop. Using careful measurements, she carved circular holes into the surface, perfectly shaped to accommodate cooking pots. It was a thoughtful touch, both practical and traditional. Finally, she finished the lower shelves, creating useful storage spaces beneath the stove. After leveling the surface and cleaning the area, she stepped back to reveal a finished outdoor kitchen, sturdy, functional, and entirely her own. It's not just about survival, it's about independence, creativity, and the power to act. From building the house to designing the kitchen, every brick, every joint, every cut tells a story of perseverance. Follow us. There's much more to learn from her incredible journey. In this episode, our talented mason takes on an ambitious outdoor project building a water channel and even a small power generator, all using natural materials and simple tools. She begins by mixing mortar precisely, preparing it for bricklaying. Slowly and carefully, she builds low brick walls that form the shape of the water channel. Each brick is carefully placed, evenly spaced. She then lines the bottom with bricks and covers the surface with a smooth layer of cement, creating a clean, lasting stream that blends into the surrounding landscape. Next, she builds a series of cylinders. Using a trowel, she shapes and smooths each shape by hand, demonstrating both control and artistic flair. These structures can be designed to control water flow or support features along a water channel. The symmetry and finish reflect both function and aesthetic care. She installed a mechanical device, a small fan-powered generator inside a concrete base. This homemade turbine harnesses the flow of water to generate electricity, an impressive feat of self-sufficient engineering. Every element of this project is integrated with the surrounding land. From the waterways to the power source, every part takes advantage of the natural topography and gravity to maximize efficiency. This isn't just a lesson in survival, it's a lesson in sustainable living, resourcefulness, and practical problem solving. She's not just building structures, she's building a life, one brilliant idea at a time. Stay tuned for more on this incredible journey of resilience and creativity in the mountains. Our DIY builder takes on the challenge of bringing electricity to her mountain cabin by installing a fully functioning mini hydroelectric system herself. She starts at the stream below, connecting the wires to a compact homemade turbine. The generator is powered by the flowing water and is cleverly arranged to capture energy efficiently. Every connection is carefully handled, demonstrating her deep understanding of electrical basics and safety. Next, she carefully runs the wires uphill toward the house. With patience and precision, she installs a main switch and runs the wires throughout the interior. She places spotlights in key areas, installing multiple bulbs to illuminate the living space. Then comes the big moment. She turns on the water valve to activate the turbine. Within seconds, the generator kicks in and the lights inside the wooden house flicker bright, steady and beautiful. The entire area, previously lit only by sunlight or fire, now glows with clean, sustainable electricity. It's a touching moment of triumph, not just because of the light, but because of what it represents: independence, innovation, and mastery over both construction and energy. With this final touch, her self-built home is now complete, safe, comfortable, and completely livable. From digging the foundation to installing the light bulbs, she did it all herself. This video is a testament to human potential, what can be achieved with determination, skill, and a deep respect for nature. Thank you so much for following her journey. See you next time, stay inspired, and we'll see each other again soon.